Let's try a number that has a 0 in it. First we'll read it. 165,093. Now we'll write it. One hundred $65 We're going to need to stop and say the column's name now. The house name is 1,000. Now we'll put our comma in. 93. If we were going to spread this number, we would have 100,000 because the 1 is in the 100,000s column. The 6 is in the 10,000s place, so that would be 60,000. The 5 is in the thousands place. There is nothing in the hundreds place, so we can skip that. The 9 is in the tens place, which makes it 90, and the 3. That would be an expanding of the numbers. We could also take our expansion horizontally and say 100,000 plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 90 plus 3. This is how it would look if we went vertically. This is how it would look if we went horizontally. Next, we could take our numbers and do expanded notation. So that would be 1 times 100,000 plus 6 times 10,000. Remember, 6 is in the 10,000s column, plus 5 is in the thousands column, so we would do 5 times 1,000 plus, we will skip the hundreds place, there's nothing there. There's 9 in the tens column, plus 3 in the ones column. That's expanded notation. From here, we can bump it up one more level to scientific notation, the way scientists talk to each other. And that would be using these base 10 with the exponents. And I'll show you a shortcut. Everything is going to be times 10. So I'm going to write my numbers across and just make them times 10. I'm going to put the exponents in later. The 0 is, we don't really have to show this, but I will do this way this time so you can see all the place values. Sometimes scientists do put any zeros in because they want to be sure that it's not misunderstood that anybody skipped a column. So when you're doing the scientific notation, as you can see, all of the numbers, the 1, the 6, the 5, here we are here, these numbers right here. These are actually the numbers that we see here, 1, 6, 5, 0, 9, 3. Now we're going to put in the exponent on the tens. you can see that the 100,000 column has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros in it. The exponent on that one is 10 to the 5th. The 6 is in the column with 4 zeros. If I just put a 6 with zeros here, I would have four zeros. So 6 is in the column with the exponent of 4. The 5 is in the thousands column that had 3 zeros on the end of it. The 0 was in the place value with 10 to the 2nd power. So this one is to the 2. 9 is times 10 to the 1st power. And the very last column, any number that's in the ones column, is 10 to the 0 power. This is scientific notation, expanded notation, and in words. They really follow quite a pattern.